guys, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited that you're here. This is something that I've been wanting to do for a while and I'm finally biting the bullet and I made a YouTube channel. Today I'm going to take you with me on a deep clean of my kitchen. It has been a hot minute since I've deep cleaned my kitchen and really taken the time to get down and scrub the floors and the cabinets. On top of it, we've been gone a lot this week. So just a full disclosure that the kitchen is a mess. I'm excited to start this journey of YouTube. It's something I'm kind of familiar with, but I have a lot to learn and I'm excited to take you along with me. If you guys are interested in cleaning videos, homesteading, minimizing your home, organization, just everyday life, then I think you're really gonna enjoy my channel. And if you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. I'm so excited that you're here and I can't wait to continue to get to know you guys and for you guys to get to know me. Anyways, let's get into it. So when I first start cleaning my kitchen, I love to go through and just pick up my counters and get everything out of my way. Oftentimes, I just grab a grocery sack and put everything into it. That way I'm able to carry it to my pantry without making multiple trips back and forth. I also like to take things that are in boxes out of their packaging and put them into containers. That way I'm not looking at a bunch of bulky items. On this particular day, we ran the dishwasher the night before, and that way it would be done in the morning and I could put dishes away. Usually we don't leave dirty dishes on the counter overnight, but since the dishwasher was full, we had no choice but to do so. Every day I like to make an effort to empty out our dish drainer so it is ready for new dishes that night at supper. I don't know about you guys, but our kitchen table collects things really quickly. Now that I am done picking up the counters, I just feel like I have a lot less to look at, and it is a lot less stressful for me to finish cleaning the rest of the kitchen. About every 2 months, I like to take everything out of our refrigerator, check expiration dates, and wipe down the drawers and shelves. This is also a good time for me to see any items that we are low on, and I can write them down on my grocery list so I can pick them up at the store next time I go in. I personally love to use the cleaner Thieves Cleaner by Young Living. It is a non-toxic cleaner, and I am definitely not afraid to use it around any of my food. Every time I clean out my refrigerator, I am so amazed with how dirty it got so quickly. so much better. Now I'm moving on to cleaning out my microwave. I like to use this device called the Angry Mama. I got mine on Amazon. You just fill it up with water and vinegar, put it in the microwave, and then the steam comes out of her head and soaks down your microwave for you, making it easy to wipe down. I decided to get rid of my coffee pot and move it down to the basement because it's not something that I use very often. This is not something I do often, but I like to wipe down my cupboards to remove any dirt and grime that has developed over time. I'm carrying outside all the items that I decided to get rid of out of the fridge and freezer. Cleaning out my sinks, I like to spray them down with Thieves Cleaner, and then I like to sprinkle baking soda and Thieves dishwashing soap into the sink and then scrub it down with a scrub brush. It's also so important to scrub your dish strainers with soap to make sure you are getting off any of the grime that is on them. Truthfully, that's where gnats like to lay their babies, so if you get gnats in your sink, you probably should scrub out your strainers. It's disgusting, I know. Once I am done cleaning everything, I like to go through and sweep up any crumbs. And then I like to steam mop. As I steam mop, I always spray the floor down with Thieves Cleaner to disinfect. My favorite part about steam mopping is looking at the pad when I am done to see how nasty my floors truly were. On this particular day, my garbage was full, so I decided to take that out and spray down my garbage can with thieves cleaner. There's nothing quite like walking into a clean kitchen after a long day. Today I decided just to clean all the surfaces in my kitchen, and boy, let me tell you, it feels so much better. Well guys, that is all for today's video. If this is a video you enjoyed watching, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!